charcuterie board, you've also heard of a cheese board, and I'm positively sure you also know what a dark chocolate board is. These are great brunch hacks. But today I'm going to teach you how to create a feta board. What is that? Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as I create a feta board slightly a cross between a Greek salad but on a board. Thank heavens for a food processor. So into that goes in nearly 400 grams of salty feta cheese, crumbly in nature. And into that we're just going to add about 200 grams of some Greek yogurt. Thick and luscious. Blitz away. Now you want this to be chunky and as crumbly but slightly creamy as well. Just topple it on a clean board. And we're going to create some indentations right inside it. Now to create this into a Greek salad, into a bowl goes about 1 English cucumber just cut roughly, half a green bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, a small baby one, and not forgetting a red bell pepper. Now I want some zing, and that zing is going to come with the rind of a lemon. Just give all this a good tossing up, and we're going to put it on top. But firstly, you want to cut the saltiness, and that comes together with some Japanese yuzu extract. So I'm just going to drizzle it. Tart flavors, but taking this feta to a whole new level. On top of that, you just topple your vegetables. Make them look as chunky and as au natural as possible, giving it that beautiful look. Healthy, and what a perfect brunch indulgence. Now what's a Greek indulgence without some dark brown olives? That's the Kalamata olives. So just nestle them in between. And lastly, we're just going to drizzle some olive oil on top. Garnish with some sprigs of coriander and go right ahead and enjoy this Greek feta board indulgence either with some flatbread or some nacho chips. Now I know you've enjoyed creating this one with me. Simple, wholesome, healthy, and what a stylish and elegant way to usher in a brunch. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.